Welcome to Tai Chi Flow on the Go with Dianne Adams, and we're actually at Pep Valu Self-Serve Dog Wash. You just never know where I'm going to take you. Is everybody ready? So take a nice deep breath in, exhale down, deep breath in, exhale down, feeling the chi, raising the chi, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, bring it in, and down. Welcoming you to your morning moving meditation. Opening the arms wide, bring it in, hug the tree and come down. Opening wide, and again, bring it down. Feeling that energy in your palms. Beautiful sunny day. And reverse. And stretch it out wide. Bring it in, sink the chi. Bring it in and bring it up and down. Come up. Bring it down. Come up. Bring it down. Open wide. Other side. Bring it up. Open wide. Feel the energy in your palms. One more. Sink the chi. One more. Well, thanks for playing with me today for our moving meditation, Tai Chi Flow on the Go with Dianne Adams. Have a wonderful day.